Additive manufacturing is a system that is used to produce parts, fixtures, jigs, items out of powder or resins versus using traditional molds, dies to produce an end object. So we can produce parts out of powder and not have to do traditional molds and dies or cutting parts from blocks of aluminum or steels. The system utilizes a power source, in our case a laser. It takes a material, which in our case is metal powder that is as fine as flour. A system rolls that out in a very, very fine layer, less than half the width of a human hair. And then that laser will take and center the material in the pattern that we want in order to produce a part. So one of our early projects with a company called American Athletic out of Jefferson, Iowa.
The idea was actually to make a small assembly that would help cheerleaders practice their balance skills. First, we made a couple of steel prototypes, but they're kind of big and bulky and heavy, and they didn't look all that great. And soon it became, we figured that's not going to work with the steel. So we decided to try plastic, but plastic's not what we normally do. Best benefit for me was just being able to giving you that freedom to design what you want. It's a new way of making things, so I'm sure at this point we don't even know everything that's going to be used. Additive manufacturing is going to be used for. So I'm really excited that ISU and CIRAS are on forefronts of this cutting-edge technology, and I'm thankful that we at AIR got a chance to be part of it.
So Iowa State, we are rather fortunate. A lot of the universities have plastic 3D printers or additive manufacturing systems. There are very few metal systems at universities. At the end, what we want to do is be able to provide Iowa's manufacturers with another tool to be able to do things that they cannot do with traditional methods. The technology is relatively new. It is still somewhat expensive to do, but like with all technologies, those prices will decline. And at that point in time when those prices come down to be more competitive, then we'll have a manufacturing base that's already familiar with the technology, knows how to leverage that technology, and then gain a succinct competitive advantage utilizing that technology. We think that the possibilities are endless. It's an interesting road, and we're looking forward to bringing more technologies to Iowa's manufacturers.